Hey developer, welcome to another awesome video where I will show you how you can use Claude Opus 4.8 for free, completely free inside your Visual Studio Code, or if you want you can use it in your Claude Code as well. You can see my screen how much time I will respond with them. This is the total interaction that I have done with Claude Opus 4.8, and this is the output. Do you imagine how much awesome this portfolio website is? If you want you can watch the total animation behind it. It is totally working. When I click it in my YouTube, it will redirect to my YouTube channel. When I click on my GitHub, it will redirect to my GitHub. It is totally working. And if I click on about section, it will show my detail, who I am, my skill section, my project section. It will fetch all the video from my YouTube channel. I'll only provide my YouTube channel link. It will fetch all the video from my YouTube channel and listed it here. This is my YouTube video section. Experience, you can see YouTube content, subscribe YouTube channel. It will automatically added my experience as well. In timeline, do you imagine how much perfect is it? Content, this is the everything. It will be built by Claude Opus 4.8 in free mode. I'll show you the best way that you can get $175 credit for free during login, and if you refer with your friend then you can get $100 for free and your friend get $50. Do you want to use this awesome way? Then let's get started. AgentRouter provides this opportunity for us. By using AgentRouter, we are going to use Claude Opus 4.8. If you are new, then you need to create an account. Currently, it will only accept GitHub as authentication method. I have already logged in with my GitHub account. Before you authenticate, first listen, I'll mention one thing. This is the Chinese website. Sometime it will show error during creating account. If you face any error, then close this tab and open it in new account. After you have authenticated with GitHub, you get authentication request in your mail. Accept it, then again get back to this website, then again log in with your Gmail account, then only it will work. Otherwise it didn't work. Okay, which model that you can get it? This is the list of model. When I try with Kimike, it will not working perfectly. Okay, it will respond, but when I try to build project with it, it didn't build a project. Okay, this is the list of models that you can get access, and in console section here you can see number of requests, 43 requests that I have done with it, and it will take my $9.6. Best part is you have get $170 initial balance during login. And not only this, if you invite your friend, you can also get $100 credit and your friend get $50 credit. I'll put my referral link is in the description and pin comment. If you create account through it, then you can also get it. And comment down your referral link. I'll pin your comment. Many viewer register through your link. You can get decent amount of reward. Okay, this is the introduction process. Then main part, how you can use it in Claude Code. Okay, this is the Chinese website that I am assuming. Go to this section. Translation is not working here. I don't know why, and select Claude Code. Okay, after that each and everything will be mentioned here. Okay, if you directly copy it and paste it in your setting.json, then you get error. First you need to understand, listen carefully. I'll provide the instruction file link is in the description and pin comment. From there you can get everything. Okay, I will provide all the information that will be required for you. It will mention here is in Chinese language, but everything that will require for you that will added in my instruction list, and I'll provide this link for you. Okay, then how you can use it? I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code and I'll open my .claude folder here. Okay, wait, didn't need to worry about it. First you need to install Claude Code. If you are using it for the first time, then first install it. After you have installed, your .claude folder will be created in your C directory. If you are using Windows, go to the C directory, your name will be reflected. Click on your name, which is your device name. After that .claude folder will be reflected here. If not, if you didn't find it, then open your Visual Studio Code and type Command Shift P. Install this shell command. Search for shell command, install code command in path. Okay, first install it. After you have installed, open your terminal or PowerShell, whatever that you have used. Then type code directory .claude folder and press enter. After you have press enter, your .claude folder will be open in Visual Studio Code that will be stored in any directory. See, our .cloud folder is open here. After that, you require settings.json. If this file is not here, add file from here and give name settings.json, and I'll provide this all in instruction file. I'll provide you the base URL and I will instruct you to create a token, and I'll provide this model name here as well. Okay, after that, get back to the open router API key section where you need to create your API key. Create token, give any name for test or anything. Token grouping will be the default and set expiration date. Okay, and new quantity will be 1 and quota will be set unlimited. If you want to restrict in certain amount, just like after $10 didn't work, then set it, otherwise set it unlimited. Submit it, your token will be created. Copy your token and provide it here. I'll provide you a settings.json file. After you have do this all, you are ready to use. You can use it inside your VS Code terminal as well, but I'll show you in main terminal. After you have do this all, type Claude, press enter, then you are ready to use. It will ask, do you trust this folder? As if you are using it for the first time, then it will takes a little bit more time. If your internet speed is slow, then it will also takes a little bit time. Are you ready to help me? You can see I'm working it here. I'll show you the model / switch model. You can see custom Opus 4.8 will be here. If you want to use it in Visual Studio Code, then go to the extension section. Okay, then you can find Claude code for Visual Studio Code, install it, and it will be reflected here and top right corner here. Click it, this window will be open, then you are ready to use. Okay, you can see this is the complete code that I have built it here. I have give the one long prompt. Without testing it, I don't show any method to you, which method it is, and I will build one snake game using it. It will give me the one complete snake game inside index.html file. Then again I will give one this much long prompt here. Do you imagine? I'll give this much long prompt. See how much long this prompt is. Then it will start to work. It will take time, sometime due to internet issue or high request issue, edit fail, then automatically it will edit, and this is all the things. It will edit index.file, it will create, this is the total output, this is the total interaction. It will add one sample image where I will mention them. Everything is perfect. Profile is not fit, then can you change it and use my image. Here I will provide real image and it will modify it, and at the end it will mention done both profile image spotted, but you need to add it inside your test folder. Here I have added it. Now my portfolio website is working perfectly. You can see this is not a normal website, fully animated website. You can see it in the background. There will be also animation. This is my name, this is my specification, everything will be here. You can change it to a dark mode and light mode as well. Okay, this is the portfolio that will be built by Claude Opus 4.8. I'll prefer to use it in dark mode. Everything will be mentioned here. If you provide my real tech stack and my real experience, everything will be awesome here. And best part, it will automatically fetch my YouTube video. You can see it will also edit animation here. It will show some of the project that will be built in my YouTube channel. Here progress bar will also appear. If you scroll down, the progress bar will be. So this is the power of Claude Opus 4.8. If you want, apply this method. Again, I will mention sometime it will show error during authentication. If you face, then try it multiple times. Okay, I'll close it all. After you have installed, it will be reflected here. Open it and it will automatically show the custom model that will be set in your settings.json. Then you can easily use it. Sometime it will show error due to internet issue and due to high traffic. Sometime it might show error. Other than that, it will working perfectly. I will show my all history that I have used it, and you can see it will also responded here as well. It will working perfectly. And some other platform provide huge amount of token and huge amount of credit initially, but it will consume within a 2-3 prompt. You can see total number of requests will be 45, but it will still takes $9.76. This is the best part about it. And not only this initial balance, you can also earn balance from refer and on. During starting time, it will provide $25 daily credit. Now it will didn't provide daily credit, but this is the way that you can earn the credit. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. If you face any problem, comment down below. I'll try to solve it. If you face authentication error, then there will be the only way. Try it multiple time. Okay, if you want more reward, then comment down your referral link. I'll pin your referral link. From there you can also earn it. That's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Bye bye. Happy coding.